huh?
Yeah. Alright, so burping round 2.
Round 1 for you guys. If we
It's true.
publish this one.
It's true. Couldn't even kill this one.
Get nuts.
Alright, that's one. You got anything yet?
I do, but I'm trying to hold it in.
Trying your little sip technique.
Oh,
Worst face ever.
too much soda today.
Yeah, so if we don't get it this time, we should give up.
Yeah.
So if I
If I drink anymore, I'm gonna barf. Oh. There's no room for gas in here. That's all liquid.
Oh no. I'm gonna go for, what was this, number 4? No, 3.
Oh, that was the grossest burp ever. Oh.
How much did that hurt? Scale of 1 to 10.
When I heard it was like, felt like I was throwing up.
That's... Thank you. I wanted to know that.
This is horrible.
Just torture for you?
Do you have anything?
I feel something. I don't want that can.
Drink it, Matt.
It's all yours.
I'm done burping.
I don't want it.
Retire.
Oh. Oh God, Sam, that's gross.
Oh. It's all over my tongue.
Your tongue's brown now. It's too much root beer.
What was that? It's like, the song.
Oh, I don't know. It's reggae. You can't understand reggae.
Austrian reggae. I'm done. I retire.
Go put that back in the garage. I don't want it. I gotta drink any more, I'm gonna vomit on you. Nope.
I do not advise swimming after this.
Yeah, me neither.
At least for like good eternity.
Damn, it's there. I can feel it. It's like at the back of the throat. Seriously?
Lean forward.
Yeah, now it's just going.
It worked on me.
Oh no.
I just had 135 grams of sugar in the past 5 minutes.
15.
15 minutes.
Damn. That's about all I got right now. Wait.
When he turns off the camera, he'll burp, he promises.
Did it last time. Damn! This is ridiculous.
Staple River is a vampire of all office supplies. Bat.
Wait, you try to pretend those are your teeth, or what's going on? You're so dumb. Sam, drink more soda.
No.
Entertain the viewers.
There's no room for gas. Gotta pee. I'm gonna develop prostate problems.
Well, everyone, now you know the cause of Sam's prostate problems. And I think we're done. You done? I'm done.
Adios.
Farewell.